very often as a kid do you feel like you can actually change the world? And that's why this project is really cool.
We collaborate to try and build the most efficient lantern design, and then we send it to different developing countries and orphanages and people who just don't have access to electricity.
The light that you're going to make them, on this side right here, it has a solar panel. It has rechargeable batteries on the inside, so when it's daytime you can put it outside and charge it. You don't need to plug it in, you don't need to buy new batteries, okay? Somewhere in the world, someone's gonna have light because of you. And when I tell you you're gonna change their world, we don't really get it because we live with electricity all the time. But somewhere there's a kid that's gonna be able to do their homework at night because you made them a light. A family's gonna be able to cook their dinner because you made them a light. A kid's gonna wake up in the middle of the night scared and be able to turn on a light because you made them a light. A mom's gonna be able to feed her baby in the middle of the night because you made them a light. And when I tell you that you get to actually change somebody's world, you do. This is gonna change somebody's world.